Missing your Agoda receipt and feeling the panic set in? Don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to find it. First, head over to the Agoda website. It's likely you already know this, but I'm including it just in case you're starting from zero. Next, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it. Enter the email address and password associated with your Agoda account. This is the same email you used to book your accommodation. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section labeled Bookings. This is where all your past and upcoming reservations are stored. Scroll through your list of bookings until you find the specific reservation for which you need the receipt. On the booking details page, look for a button or link labeled Request Receipt or View Receipt. The exact wording may vary slightly. Click on this button. Your receipt should now appear on the screen, or you'll be prompted to download it as a PDF file. Save the receipt to your computer or device for your records. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Agoda receipt.